guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all chat history on Gemini, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. Let's get started step by step. First, open Google on your browser or phone. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and tap Search. From the results, click on the Google Gemini link to open it. Once Google Gemini opens, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on these lines to open the main menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Here, tap on Settings and Help. This will open all the options related to account and activity settings. Now tap on Activity. This is where all your chat history and other interactions are stored. Here, you will see an option called Deleting Activity Older than 18 months. Tap on the arrow next to it to proceed. Scroll to the bottom right and tap Next. After that, tap Done to confirm. This will successfully delete all your Gemini chat history older than 18 months. And that's it. Now, all your old chat history on Gemini has been deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab for more easy tech tutorials. Also, comment below if you want a video on managing other app histories. See you in the next one.